Hi, Matt Hale, Senior Financial Planner from Rising Tide here. We thought, given the month of January was really volatile in the investment markets, that it was a good opportune time to provide a bit of an update for you. Now, firstly, I'll preface it with what's happened historically is no guide for what happens in the future, and this is all very general in nature, but wanted to help you understand a little bit about what's going on. Now, in the Australian markets, it's the biggest month drop of around 4% since the global financial crisis. But in comparison to somewhere like the United States, their drop was nearly double that. Is it anything to worry about? That's the million-dollar question, pardon the pun. But it all depends on your circumstances. And this is why it's imperative that you talk to your individual advisor about your individual circumstances. Don't get too caught up in the headlines that you read or the conversations that you have over a beer or over coffee on the weekend. The requirements for someone who's close to retirement versus someone who's investing for the next 25 or 30 years are vastly different. And there's going to be some other factors that come into play. For a lot of people that we're chatting to, the likely rise of interest rates over the next 12 to 24 months is probably playing a bigger factor than what the drop in investment markets are. But everyone's circumstance is very different. The question is, what action do you need to take? If you are worried, then I would reach out to your advisor. If you're comfortable that the risk and how you invested in is in line with what you can sleep at night, then there's no action required. But please feel free to reach out to us or come directly through the website and we can help guide you through anything. What I will say is these types of months are absolutely expected. And for people that are invested in high growth or growth assets, the downtimes you do get compensation for by longer, higher historical returns. Please reach out if you've got any questions and hopefully we can help.